Hey gang, right now, I'm seeing something really cool developing in the market. Let me tell you all about it. It's small caps, all right? There's a pattern developing, and in my opinion, small caps are going to rise. They're going to be turbocharged over the next few weeks. So I'm going to give you 3 factors that I look at when I trade small caps. Let's get into it right away. When I'm looking at small caps, the first major factor that I look at is technicals. There's 2 technical indicators that are very accurate for small caps. It's the modified RSI and the modified Bollinger. Both of these are oscillators. They measure momentum, overbought, oversold levels, and both are pointing to oversold territory on the small caps. And that means small caps are on their way back up. Moreover, right now, the large caps are already trading above the 200-day moving average, and the small caps usually outperform the large caps over long periods of time. And that means there's a huge opportunity right now for the small caps to catch up with large caps, in addition to the oscillators telling me they're oversold. That's why I think it's the best time to jump into small caps. I only have time to give you 3 of my top tips for trading small caps, but there's so much more to know. I'm hosting a small cap stock and options training course, and I want you to be part of it. Click the link below and I'll show you absolutely everything you need to know about profitable small cap trading. The second major factor that I look at small caps is I want to find small caps that are on the move, okay? If you're going to be buying small caps, you want to make sure those small caps are outperforming other small caps. We use a very complex formula that's called relative strength. It's been used for years. We have a computer system using it. But what you need to know is don't buy small caps till they're on the move. Make sure momentum indicators are telling you that they're on the rise. Otherwise, you're putting yourself in a buy and hold situation, and nobody wants that. You may get stuck for years holding a small cap that nobody wants. And finally, the third biggest factor that you want to pay attention to when you're trading small caps is liquidity. This is a very common beginner's mistake, and I don't want you making this mistake. You don't want to get into stocks that have low liquidity. Try to find small caps that trade a minimum of 50,000 shares per day on average. Otherwise, the spread between the bid and the offer is going to be as wide as the Grand Canyon. You don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want you to get ripped off when you're entering a trade. We want liquidity. We want you to be able to enter and exit the trade quickly. So you need liquidity. And those are my 3 factors and 3 tips that I'm going to give you today for trading small caps. Follow the link below and register for my free extensive workshop where I'll show you how to trade only the best small cap stocks and options. I'm so confident that small caps will rocket that I actually guarantee that if you use my strategy correctly, you'll be able to capture double and triple digit gains in the next few months. How can I be this confident? Because this strategy works, and I'll show you all the details during the class.